2009, okay. Number 5? So it gives this to you, yes? 1 plus 2x, am I right on this?
Yes.
And then 1 plus ax to the 2 square roots. She really goes overboard with the partial fractions. You guys okay with partial fractions?
Yeah.
No? Yes? I guess we'll do this one first, is that okay? It says where a is a constant, right? That just means a constant. And this is expanded into powers of x coefficient. Find the value of a. So find a. Let's see if I remember how to do this. Okay?
Wait, this is not partial.
Was it?
I don't know what this is.
I thought we were doing PFDs. Can I call them PFDs? Partial fraction decoupled PFDs?
Yeah.
This?
Is it?
Because no.
Yeah, some of them are.
Not this one.
It's probably for the next.
Yeah.
This is the next one. This is the other guys.
Pick a different one.
Oh, okay.
It's
Mr. Radford?
probably an accumulation.
So, Meiji in 2002, number 6, I've had some trouble with.
Number 6. Okay, great. Thank you. Number 6 is okay. Number
Meiji,
6. Okay,
2002,
that's all
number
right.
6. Number 6, yep.
All right, number 6 is May, June. And then you guys will walk me through it, okay? 2002? Mm-hmm. All right, now, go away. Yeah. And this one says number 6. What's 6 in Spanish?
6.
In French? Oui. Très bien. All right, let's get to the figure, right? So here we go. F of x, I'll start teaching languages. 4x over the following. 3x plus 1 with the denominator, and an x plus 1 quantity squared, yes?
Yeah.
Now it says a little eyeball here, right? And it says express as a partial fraction, yes?
Yes.
Yes, yes, okay, hold on here. All right. We okay so far? Yeah?
Yes.
All right. You know how many fractions are we going to have?
3.
Why? And you're right.
Or there's a square.
Quantity squared. Okay? Not necessarily an x squared, because if it says x squared, then that's that bx plus c thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So, we're going to say the following, right? We're going to say what? A over
3x
left
plus
to
1.
right, good job. I think I heard Sophia there too. Plus b
X plus 1.
plus c
X plus 1 squared.
quantity squared. Exactly. Okay? Now, does it matter where the A, B, and C goes? Not really.
No.
But we like to read left to right. Congratulations, I is finished.
That's it.
That's all I wanted, right?
Well, they gave 5 points for that.
See, what you're supposed to do,
You have to find A, B, and
You've got to find A, B, C. Well, sometimes it wants you to write it as a fraction, right? That's what we did, right? Now we got to find
A.
A.
It as a fraction, we just need to find A, B, and C.
Okay, now we got to do the next thing is to find
If
the.
it's more than like 2 points, we have to do find the ABC and then express.
Right. Okay. Now you guys are going to help me with this one, right? The greatest common factor should be the following. I write on the side, then I'll put it in there. It should be 3x plus 1. If I'm in the way, M's tell me x plus 1 quantity squared. Yes? Am I right on that one? Yeah? Cool? Cool as that? He's like, yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody's like, yeah, sure. Okay, see. All right, so what am I going to multiply this guy by?
X plus 1 squared.
X plus 1 quantity squared. Good. What's this guy get?
X plus 1
Good job.
and then 3x plus 1.
You know, when you do one or two of them, the rest of them just fall in, don't they? Especially for you guys. Okay?
And then that was just 3x.
Beautiful.
And all of that's equal to 4x. Over
The model is just
Yep, just write it.
Okay? Greatest common factor set. Okay? How are we doing?
I see my
I'm feeling
error.
pretty good. I see my errors. I will not make them again.
I put another
Okay.
X plus 1.
Mr. Tribble, good? All right. Cool, cool. You know if they're all the same on the bottom, you can cross them out. I like Mrs. K's methodology, okay? And now if we were in my higher level math classes I've taught for 100 years, we'd have to tell us why and how, but we don't care, right? So I can just put a 4x there, is that right? Now, we want to do what now?
What
Values
x
of A.
equal -1?
Say again?
What x equal
Okay, right. You need to find the let statements, right? So the let x equal, and the certain one here, what?
-1?
-1. You want to do -1 first?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that'll cancel out.
Yeah, that, and you know the next one's gonna be minus 1/3, right?
Yeah.
All right, so everybody okay with that one?
Yep. This is gonna make A equals 0.
Okay.
Cancel out.
Yeah, we're gonna, 2 should disappear automatically, right?
Yeah.
Define the 1 or whatever, okay? So that means when this guy, this is gonna be 4 times the -1 on the left-hand side of the equals. Equals, help me out here. So does this guy disappear?
Yeah, that'll
Yep.
cancel.
Boom, gone. This one disappears?
That'll
Yes.
also cancel.
Yes.
Gone. This one. So this is gonna be equal to C times the quantity,
3.
Three.
-1 plus 1.
close parentheses, over, or no, that's it, that's it.
Yeah.
It goes away. All right, so far? So -4, right, equals, what's that, 2? 2, -2, right? -2C. C is a good old 2.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. I think once you get one of them and then the other one, then you plug the remainder, 8, yeah. All right, keep writing downward or does it matter? Okay, so if I can finish it, right? So X is gonna equal this one and what, for example, what?
-1/3.
Beautiful. So it's going to be 4 times the -1/3, yes? Why is it -1/3?
It's going to cancel something out.
Right. Does A disappear?
Yep. Yep.
And that means coincidentally C does as well, right?
Wait, no.
A doesn't disappear.
A doesn't
A?
disappear.
A
No.
doesn't disappear.
Yes.
It's on top.
It's on top, right? Because the one that, I'm sorry, yeah. So here we go, A, keep me honest. So this is -1/3 plus a 1, and then you square it, right? Do I have anything else or no?
No.
Yeah, because C disappears, right?
Yep. And
Yes.
two disappear.
And B. Okay, there we go. So it's -4/3. That's just algebra, right? And this is 2/3 here.
Squared.
What's 2/3 squared? 4 nines.
Mm-hmm.
4 nines,
A.
A. Now don't you divide on me, okay? You multiply by the reciprocal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here we go. So you got -4/3 equals 4 nines A, multiplied by the reciprocal. 9/4 and 9/4. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Bye-bye. A equals, sorry, I heard it?
-3.
-33.
-3?
Yes.
Okay, so we got C, we got A.
And then we can plug them in.
You plug in what now?
Go
Yeah.
arbitrary, let X be 0.
You plug in A and C, let X be 0,
Which
and
one?
I like,
All for B.
then solve for
okay.
B.
So that means we still have the top the same way, right? And we have A and B. We have what now? We know,
-3.
we know this guy, and we know that guy.
Yep.
Agree, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so keep me honest, all right? So this now is zero, right, on the left-hand side?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and now we're looking for what? So we got
-3.
negative, thank you, Emily. Yeah,
0 plus 1 squared.
plus,
0
yeah,
plus 1 squared is 1.
0 plus 1 quantity squared. Yeah, plus
B.
B,
0 plus 1.
0 plus 1.
Plus 0 times 0 plus 1.
3.
3 times 3 times a 0, plus a 1. Yeah,
Plus
plus
2.
2, because 2 is C.
3.
3 times quantity, 0 plus 1. Close it here, and I think close it, right? Okay, 0. That's -3, right? We don't know B.
Just B.
B, and then it's going to be 1, and then 3 right
Plus-
there.
Thank you.
3B, yeah?
Wait,
No,
one.
it's just 1
It's
times
just-
1, so B.
Because 3 times 0 is 0 plus
Oh,
1.
yeah, okay, so it's going to be what again? 3B?
B.
3B.
Or, no,
B.
just B.
Just OB. All right, plus
2.
No.
2.
2.
3 times,
3 times 0
yeah.
is
4.
0
Plus
plus
1.
1. 2 times 1 is
The
0.
0 is supposed to be in parentheses, not the 1. Yeah.
Oh, okay. See, yeah. All right, now what's this going to be?
2.
2.
Equals
B.
B's what?
1.
Now you just put them on top of them, right?
Yep, and then.
So it's going to
only the
be,
black stuff though.
yeah, so I'll write it. So here we go, right? It's going to be, for your partial fractions, it's going to be, help me out. Negative 3 over
3x plus 1. Plus 1 over x plus 1. Plus 2 over x plus 1 quantity squared.
plus 1. Uh-oh, he's coming.
Not quite yet. We have to integrate it.
Well, that was the first
No.
part.
Right, well, that's a fraction, right?
Yeah, we don't.
Yeah.
Do we have to, it's like.
It didn't say integrate yet, did
That's
it?
part
No.
of it says integrate.
Did we do, how, we okay so far?
Yeah.
I'm getting like a crash course in teaching calculus again, okay?
And they give us the actual answer, so we know what we're.
Yeah, the natural log or whatever. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay, so we're gonna do that next, right? Everybody okay? So we're gonna take this thing right here, right?
Yes.
And we're gonna integrate it.
From 1 to 0.
From the bounds of 1 to 0. Okay? Now I know that she pulls out that constant, right? All right, so can I erase?
Yes. And it's on video too. You're going to be famous.
Yeah. I knew that guy. I knew he was nuts. Okay? Okay. So, we're going to do what? It says f of n or f of x is what? Integral of 1 to 0. What is it?
See, show that the integral from 1 to 0 of f of x dx is equal to 1 minus ln of 2.
1 minus the natural log of 2.
Yes.
Okay. So, it says whatever you got from here, right? F of n and so on. So, we're going to take the integral of that stuff right over there, right? So, I'm going to pull the 3 out. Is that okay? Minus 3
Yeah.
times the integral of 1 to 0 of 1 over 3x plus 1. Can I do that?
So we have du over u.
Well, yeah, dx, right? I'm going to do the ln's. Is that okay what I did?
Would it be easier just to leave the -3 in?
Yeah,
Wouldn't
all right,
you-
fine, fine,
Wouldn't
okay.
you just pull out the?
I just pulled it out.
You just need
Pull out the
negative,
negative.
you need a negative ln.
You want me to just...
Yeah, so
uh,
that way it's u over
You
u
want
if
to
you
get a
plug the
d over
negative.
u.
Because if you derive the box.
Yeah.
You want me to just do it? Is that it too, or you want me to just...
Just right.
Just write what? Okay.
Just
you can
pull out
just-
the negative.
Just pull out the negative.
And then it's u over u.
And then what?
D over U or ln.
Are you already going to integrate it already? Or
Yeah.
I was going to do integrate, I mean, just set up the integrals.
Okay.
That's what I was going to do.
Yeah, right there.
Okay, plus what? Integral of 1 over x
Plus 1.
dx. Right?
Yeah.
Good? Plus integral 1 to 0, 1 to 0, what? 2
2 over x plus 1 quantity squared.
Now you know that's not going to be an ln, right?
Right.
Pull it out.
You have to bring it up.
Yep, we can do that. Now this one we're going to just massage it, so to speak.
Hmm?
On top.
Yeah, right there.
And then 2 goes in front. I get rid of the constants, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Now, negative what? Integrate. What do you get? From natural log
Of 3x plus 1.
Absolute value.
right?
Yeah.
From 1 to 0, right? Or do you do it all? I don't know how you
We
want
can
to
put that at the
Well, usually.
put it at the end.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Plus
ln of x.
ln of x plus 1. 1, 0. Plus this guy, right?
Yes.
2. Oh, here we go, right?
Use,
Add 1.
put it over itself times the derivative of the inside.
And to the x plus 1.
Wait.
Wait,
You
what?
go through that again. Check.
Add 1.
Add 1.
So it's
And then negative 2 plus 1, right?
yeah,
N
Use
to the x.
substitution.
yeah.
Integral of n to the x dx is n
Yeah.
plus 1, x plus 1, n plus 1 over n plus 1, right? So if I had the integral of x squared
Oh, yeah.
plus 1 and then
You
it's
just
divided,
did it differently than Miss Kay showed.
that's fine.
Wait,
Whatever way you want,
what's the use of substitution?
whatever's easier.
It's just like
There's one way.
You
so
like
it's negative 1 on the
add
bottom,
one
just like
I
that.
just add 1 to the exponent,
And take
and I took the exponent, what else is different?
So it's just
Oh.
the x plus
Yeah.
again, which is why
Yeah,
I was
okay.
getting confused about.
Yeah.
Give me the answer then.
Do you want to see?
Two,
like, how I
it's
did it?
negative 2 over x plus 1. Over x plus 1.
Oh, you did it all, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, because it's x to the minus
So
1.
we get rid of all
Yeah.
that.
You do the power rule, right? Yes.
Yeah, and then
And then we're
That's
gonna
okay.
Did we just get rid of all this stuff? then?
I
Did
just
we
do it.
substitute?
And then the line.
we're gonna assess it from 1 to 0.
That's a good way of putting it, right? Good? Now, the biggest boo-boo everybody forgets is to put the subtracts here, right? So here we go. We go natural log of 3 times a 1
Plus 1.
plus a 1, close parentheses,
Don't
right?
forget your negative.
And minus outside, good. Plus what?
ln.
Natural log
of 1 plus 1
1 plus 1, what was it?
minus 2
Minus 2
over 1 plus
over
1.
1 plus 1.
And then we're going to subtract the 0.
Subtract the mess, right?
Yes.
Same thing, just subtract, right?
Mhm.
Did I do that right?
Yeah.
Remember, that minus goes with this one here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Goes there?
Yes.
So it's going to be minus, wait, I can write the whole thing in here again if you want, right? Is that better?
Plug in the 0.
Right, we'll plug in 0. So I'm going to put minus here again, is that okay?
Yeah.
Minus, what, ln?
3 times 0
3 times 0
plus 1.
plus 1, close parentheses. Oh,
ln
plus natural log, 0 plus 1, good, minus 2 over 0 plus 1. We okay?
Yep.
I did it right? I subbed her and say we're okay?
Yes.
Say yeah. Because everybody has a little caveat how they do it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Then we just got to clean it up.
Clean it up, right? So 3 plus 1, 3 times 1 is 3. So this is the minus natural log of 4,
Mm-hmm.
minus ln of 4.
ln of
Yep.
plus
Yes?
ln.
Yeah.
Yes?
ln of
Plus ln of 2. Yes?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Yeah, go.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Good.
Good.
And then,
So now we-
Minus all that mess here.
yep,
Yeah.
Let's do this here, okay?
so.
So this is
Let's
the...
distribute the negative in this.
Okay, so it's going to be... Okay, so we can...
I use the combined side
It's
distribute.
it's just gonna end up being
You just want to give me what it is instead of
it's
me...
plus
Yeah.
2. It's gonna end up being plus 2.
Yeah.
Plus ln of 2?
Yeah, because it's
Or no,
gonna
plus 2.
it's just plus 2.
Okay, that equals ln of 1, ln of 1.
So it's
both
0.
zeros, and then negative.
And then it's
So
gonna
they,
be
they disappear?
Yeah.
All right,
And
okay.
even if they weren't, they would
All
have
right.
done the same thing, and then they would have canceled it out. So it's positive.
and then it's like minus 2. So when the negative
What was this one here? This is minus what?
That's
That was
minus
a
1.
negative
Minus
1.
1.
That was minus 1. And then this and this are gone, and then what do I got on the other
You
side?
have a negative 2 in brackets,
okay.
but it's minus, so it's positive.
Positive 2.
Yes.
2.
Yeah.
So ln of 4 can be 2 ln of 2. or negative 2 ln of
Isn't
2.
that
Yeah.
ln,
You gotta get 4
ln,
and 2 squared.
What, this one was what? This is 2.
ln of 2?
This is ln of 2. So I can combine
Minus
these.
1
Yeah.
plus 2.
This is really minus 2 ln of 2
Yeah, but
plus ln of 2 plus 2.
It's minus 1.
I
Minus
used
1
to have
plus
one
2,
that's
so it
called
becomes a
Goat
plus
Pie,
1.
which is like
So it
the
becomes a
exact
plus-
same game.
At the end.
At the very end, you choose the number.
You lost.
It's 1.
You,
Yeah, you
you
erased
left
the-
out the negative 2 over 1.
That's why I wanted to do it every one. Come here, Emily. Go. That's why I do it step by step, okay?
I found the answer.
You've seen this a dozen times. So that's not the 2 there. It's going to be a...
There's
This one there, that's a
So
minus 1 plus 2. That's why. So then this is going to be a plus 1. That cancels. Okay, got it. Got it. And you proved it, right? Proved to be true.
Yep.
Good? Not bad?
Yep.
A little rough.
We gig it.
Of course you can. All right, no question. How much time we got left?
Let's see. We get out 10:29.
16 minutes.
Yes.
16 minutes. What are we going to do with 16 minutes? Everybody got it down?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sophia? You sure? All right. Want to try one more? Or whatever? Sure, why not? Yeah.
Mr. Murmer,
Here.
I think this is
can
going
we
to
do?
Pardon? Yes?
Can we look at October, November 2002, number 6?
Can I see it?
See October, November.
Circle where it is.
Somewhere around here. October, November.
Oh. Every time I look in the camera, I say to myself, I gotta lose more weight. Okay?
I'm trying to find.
All right.
Yeah.
What are they?
Is there questions like that on the test? Is that what it's using?
I think there might be one that's a little bit more. Can we do number 10? Because that looks pretty complicated.
For my past Morians.
Did you go back?
Emily, do me a favor, erase the board.
Mr. Murmer?
Yeah. I got it.
I found a good one.
Mr. Upper.
Yes, it's October or May, June 2010/32, number 10. It looks pretty complex.
You won't get something like that. That's a beast. But yeah, A, B, C, D. You won't get a beast like that. I'm going to help you out. You won't get the beast.
Thank you.
Okay? That would be in my Calculus 2 class.
Mhm.
You will not have to use
Are there
shoulder
not
as
gonna
well.
be
Aren't you a
any-
lefty?
No.
Who's a lefty? You are. Oh, that's right. Yeah. I knew the girls. Women are
Oh
more.
my god, we're all sitting in the same row.
Yeah, only 3% of the population.
No, we never discussed it, I don't
I
think.
swear you guys were like, what were the lines? Be at the end of your
I don't remember that.
Okay. All right. So we're putting up with me and so on, and then it's going to get a lot easier when we do statistics. And stuff. You guys had me for a little bit of the stats anyway.
Yeah, that's all you taught. That's just about.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
taught the stats part.
Okay. Hopefully it comes back. Okay. So all right. So that's a wimp one.
I'm just really happy we're starting this today because I have the stat test for ACE Methyl on Monday. Or not Monday, Thursday.
All right. So
Is that the test?
It doesn't make
No.
any sense.
no, I'm changing the stuff around here. So okay. All right. Let's see. All right. So let's say if you had something like this. Okay. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And you want to do everything that we did, right? There's like an I and a double I, right? You want to put it in fraction form.
Mm-hmm.
And then the next one would be to find A, B, C, D, whatever, right?
What problem is this?
Magic.
It's a separate problem.
It's a right,
It's wonderful.
right? Not bad?
Mm-hmm.
So it gives that to you and it says, put that thing in fraction form, right?
Yeah, what we were doing. And just like the easy one.
So if it's like the bottom parts would be like, would it be x and then x squared plus 1? But would you do like the bx c thing?
Yeah.
First fraction would be what? A
Over
over
x.
Oh.
plus
Bx plus c.
y.
Because we have an x squared.
X squared's inside, right? Over.
X squared plus 1.
That's it.
That's it.
And then we solve or find a, b,
That's the
c.
whole I.
That's the whole I. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many points is the I where it goes?
Probably 2.
Okay.
So we don't even solve for a, b, and c.
Now you solve for A, B, and C,
And
right?
the next
Yeah, you don't
one.
have to.
The next one would be solve for A, B.
Okay.
You know, find your numerators. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Not the natural log or anything. Pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. That's cake. Talk to me. What do we do?
We try to get a common denominator.
LC, right. Or LCD, GCF, doesn't matter. Put them in different colors here. What am I going to multiply the A guy by?
X squared plus 1.
Of course. And then this guy by?
X.
X.
And then the bottom cancels.
Right? And then we're going to have on the left-hand side the numerator, which is, in this situation?
7x squared minus 3x plus 2. Equals.
Right? All the bottom disappears. We're going to get what?
A times x squared plus 1.
Bx plus c times x.
Is it bx squared? Or
Don't distribute out. Or throw.
Did I do it
Just
right?
leave it as is.
okay.
Okay, I'm okay?
Bx
Yeah.
plus c times x.
Okay? The same there? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let n x equals 0.
X,
Yes.
I was gonna say x is 0.
You want to do 0?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, because the...
Figure it out anyway.
A equals 2.
All right. Going too fast, slow, what?
Wait,
Wait. Yeah.
I'm good.
Give me a headache. Okay. All right.
And everything's fucking up.
Okay, so x is 0, right? And then the next one's probably going to be a minus, I don't know,
Plus
1 and a minus 1? Or,
Well,
okay.
you're gonna
Never
can't.
find
Yeah.
a square.
So that's gone, that's gone. What do we got on the left-hand side?
2
2
equals
equals
A.
A.
Hey.
A. Oh.
A. Just times 1, right?
Yeah.
Plus
The rest
Zero.
cancels.
0, 0, right?
Yep.
Well, A's 2, right?
Yeah.
Rocket science there.
Let me just put.
Never found such great value in a number that has no value.
Okay, yeah. It's called circular. He's doing circular
That
logic.
was fun.
Okay, now he's doing circular logic. Now what?
Uh,
Plug in the A. Plug in the A.
x
Let
x
x be.
plus 1, x plus
You want to do what?
Let's
Let
do 0 again. Can we do
0 again?
No, you're just.
We already did that one.
X, same answer.
Oh, I forgot.
X equals 1?
X equals 1 and then X equals
Okay.
no.
Wait, how do you do 2?
You got A is 2, that's
Yeah, how
right.
do
Well, you have to get
Get you
B.
a set of equations, plug in 2 different x things, you get 2 different equations, and then
You solve.
you have 2.
Now, you've done a bx plus c before, right?
Yeah, but we've never had one like
Square root of negative, it's not an I.
plug in I.
Plug an I.
Right, let's do it.
Not in this class.
Not now.
So what do you want to plug in?
I don't know.
Well,
We have to get rid of
can we find
Can you
B
plug in
somehow?
1 and then
Yeah, how do you do it? Right, how would you do it? You have to plug in something.
Well, you can't cancel the
One
A
is
out.
logical to do, right?
Okay.
Because 1 would be there, right?
Plug in 1 and you get an equation.
Correct.
Plug in
With a B
negative
and a C. Plug in -1, get another equation with a B and a C. System of equations, either substitution or elimination. You can
He's right, he's right. You're going to do SOEs here, okay? All right, okay, hold on. All right, he's right. Hold on. Just breathe, right? Let's do 1, like he said, like Brian said. 7 squared times 1 is 7, right? And then 3 times of 1 is a 3 minus 3.
Wait, what?
Add the 2 equals. I'm just putting in x equals 1.
Okay.
Okay? All right. All
You
right.
have to plug in the A.
All right. A is just 1, right?
2.
And then it's going to be 1 squared is 1 times, she's right. That's what she's plus. Remember, x is 1,
Uh-huh.
so you're going to get
Plus
b plus c.
Oh, did we plug the 2 in for A?
You're going to get a 1 there and a 1 there, right?
Yeah.
And A is 1, right?
It's 2.
A's 2.
Mr. Murmer?
We saw it, didn't we?
Yeah, because it's going to, right, because of this here, right?
Yeah.
Mr. Murmer?
No,
A's 2.
You already plugged it in.
Okay,
You
hold
already
on.
found it.
You already did it.
So we got B and C, right? All we have is a number and then B and C.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait, why? Never mind.
Come here, Alan.
Yeah.
I concur.
Like this.
This is fun. We're doing different equations, so we have to plug in the A. So when you
Go ahead.
put it there, you have to do A and then 1 squared plus 1. So it's 4.
Oh, I didn't put the 2. Oh, right. Okay. And then it's B plus C, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Keep me honest. So now what's on the left-hand side here?
6.
6. And then we're going to have what?
4
4.
B plus C.
So B plus C is going to equal what?
Plus C. Below that, yeah.
2, right? B plus C equals 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to put that somewhere, right? B plus C equals 2.
And now we're plugging negative.
Plug a negative 1.
I already found that.
All right. Everybody okay? Stay going.
Yeah.
All right.
-1.
Good. We put in 1, and then we got all this. Is that okay? Now we're going to put in -1.
Yep.
All right. Make sure to do it right. All right. Can I raise? Yes, no? Yes. Okay. So make sure to do it right. So we're going to get still 7, right?
7 plus 3
Plus 3 plus the 2 on this side.
equals 2.
Now A was what? 2, right?
Yes.
It's still going to
4.
equal
So you're still
4, right? Because it
Plus B plus C.
plus.
C minus.
minus.
Now this is now a -1. This is now a -1.
Wait, excuse me.
Oh.
How do you get 4?
Oh, we're
So remember that. What was A originally, right? 2.
2.
2, and then this is 2. 2 times 2 is 4.
Negative 1.
So that's it.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Plus B minus C.
Plus B minus C. Oh, that's amazing,
That's how
right?
you do that
4
subtraction.
over, we
Like
get
the
8
down.
equals B minus C, set that on top, eliminate.
Yes.
Yeah, so B minus C equals what, please?
8.
What? 8?
Yes.
8, thank you.
Yeah.
Come on. Boom. 2B or not to
your C's,
be?
Yeah.
Your C's will cancel, yeah.
5 plus -3
Yeah.
equals 2.
Yeah, there we go.
And then we just stick those back into the original?
Yeah, good. Yeah. All it wants is coefficients. Right?
You
You
just
don't
want-
have to give it in fraction form. It says find A, B, and C. Right?
Cool.
Right? If you want to put it back in there, yeah, that's cool. Beats to me. You know, because then you'd have what? 2 over x plus what? 5x plus minus 3 over x squared minus 1.
We're going to do this substitution thing.
Oh, is your system of equations on the test?
I can't answer that question. What? I can't, if you paid attention, you're gonna be okay. My gift. M's okay? It's okay. All right, that's not a bad one, right?
No, it's okay.
SOE? Come on, that's kid stuff. Any other questions?
We have,
For you guys, it's like 7th grade. Right?
Yeah, oh, 8th grade for me.
Yeah.
8th grade for half of it, because it's half of it for seniors.
Mr. Murmer,
Yes, Mr. Evans.
No,
can we do May,
because
June 2010/31 number 8?
Geometry and algebra 1 in middle school. They didn't give me the option to take geometry.
You will not have to worry about this one.
It's pretty complicated.
It's going to take me about 15 minutes to do it.
And we have 3 minutes.
I can work fast, but not this fast as well as to teach it. I can get it for you, but you have to come and see me period 6 or 7. Okay?
Okay.
Because I don't have the answers. I got to work them all out. All right, so tomorrow's the test, and that's it. Okay?
Yes.
And then Monday, I should have everything all done and so on. I might even be period 6 and 7. Okay?
Okay.
Mrs. K also does this laborious Cambridge stuff where I have to, it's called lick and stick envelopes. Like